Okay.
We are very much live on Facebook,
From
Band the
Marty,
Boys. We
Facebook.
got around
Yeah.
500, 600 people watching us. So
Yeah, Ram
that's
say, guys, come on, come on.
Okay.
Let's go on with the
so
show.
we
Let's
can
go
go
on.
on with it. Yeah.
All right. So
Yeah,
you
sure,
guys
go on.
lead on. I'm
Yes.
just like meanwhile going to look into the tech. All right. Go on.
Okay.
Okay, well, so who's going to introduce this beautiful woman here?
Arey, you took away half my introduction. How dare you?
That, right?
Hey, Mario, you better do that.
Okay, so
you're
we
naughty
have-
by always doing gandi baat.
अरे
Yeah.
I haven't heard anything.
आज करण फुल तैयार हो गया है.
I think for the first time, Karan has put perfume and tongue, yeah.
See the color of his
Yeah.
shirt.
I can hear us. I can hear us perfume.
Yeah. The blues.
Yeah,
I've got the blues.
I can
belly.
hear us
He's
perfume.
changed from white for the first time. My God, can you imagine? It's like he's gone down and played holy and come.
Food already. And I'm wearing white to support you guys. Look at that.
Yeah, see, she wore white because Band the Boys was
Yeah.
supposed to be with her, and all
and
of
we
us
are
are now in
colourful.
colored. Yeah. Well, she's brought color into our life. That's what we can say.
Wah, wah, wah.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Yeah, and we've taken the color from your life quite obviously, and you're in white right now. Anyway, so welcome to
carry
yet another episode of Monday Madness. For those who've tuned in, as you can see, there's no sense, there's only chaos, and that's what Monday Madness is all about. We're one of the few people who actually live up to the branding that we've given ourselves, which is Monday Madness, because we ourselves don't know what's happening, what each second is going to present itself into, and we, however, do know who is going to join us on this Monday Madness. And this Monday, it's the most gorgeous, beautiful, intelligent Chintu, along with Anveshi.
Hello, Father.
That was like the best.
For myself,
Hey, you guys get a room.
Best
They
introduction.
are even better together is what I'm trying to tell these three and tell these kebab mein haddis to go away, but that's not going to happen because this Band the Boys ka package hi aisa hai na, it's just absolutely frustrating. But don't worry. I can see through your eyes, you can see the real talent and you can identify great.
Oh, hi. Hi.
हाँ जरा चाय लेके आना करण, go quick get us a cup of tea. And while that happens, to let you guys know that Anveshi is known for a lot of things which we'll talk about, but most importantly, she's a fabulous singer. She's a very good TV host also, and that's where we had first met her when
Yes.
we were launching one of our songs, and she was the only one who laughed at all my jokes, so she's very intelligent.
Clearly has
also.
bad
We know
taste.
that.
Yep.
Are you sure, Karan?
When you are laughing at his jokes, there has to be bad taste. It can't be anything else.
Are you sure about my bad taste?
Yeah, don't worry that he's
Yep.
always jealous of talented people. So matlab, it's something we've lived with for the last 20
Then
years.
never mind. I like you anyway.
Yeah.
Also, one more thing you forgot to add, Chintu.
Boys are only
One
talking.
second, Danny.
one of the... Yes, go ahead.
Let Anveshi also talk. तुम लोग दोनों ही पकड़
अबे इंट्रोड्यूस तो कर दे उसको भाई
हो
जान
गई
ले बच्चे की।
इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया है ब्यूटीफुल
नहीं यार, now
She was the most Googled woman of India
yeah,
last year.
exactly.
Most Googled woman of India last year.
किसको मर्डर किया
Sorry, look.
अपने सारे फैंस को मर्डर किया उसने.
Okay, now Anveshi, we've said a lot about you. Yeah, now say something about about me.
About us.
Okay, well, 2 minutes silence.
Okay. Now, for all those guys joining us, it's been a moment a lot of people have been waiting for, and it's finally here. And that is that Sharon is occupied and not talking. But the other moment that people are waiting for is for you to speak and tell us something about tell us about how successfully you managed to get so many fans and to really reach out to so many people on social and teach us like Karan, who's obviously just vanished right now and he's come back again,
The magic
how
mantra.
not to do wrong things like what we do.
So,
And how did you become the most Googled woman of India? What led to that? What is the journey behind that?
Karan is dying to know that. वो चला गया.
Jokes apart. So I did this one show and miraculously everything changed for me. So I think you have to try for a show like Gandhi Baat and you all be most Google just like me,
Oh, do you mean to say it'll help us also? So we'll also get big. We'll also be like made in heaven or something like that.
We should also be doing Gandhi Baat.
What will happen? Don't tell this Band the Boys anything because everybody will go to the bathroom and put the shower on and say gandi baat shuru ho gaya hai. That will be the end of our careers also. Matlab, with our sense of humor.
Neither did I.
You do that is a different thing. We do that. You do that. I will be on your channel also. Like 24/7. It's not
She
gonna
does have
happen.
that already.
Like,
How many views do you have on your? I usually see we're very very popular, extremely loved band of this country. Whenever we put out a video, we almost get like couple of thousand views. I mean, come on, how many views do you get on your app?
I'm feeling already very inferior in front of you guys. I mean, this is not the right
Yes.
way, right? You invite a beautiful guest and then you like.
We're just saying. I mean, where is the comparison? How many views do you get actually? How many views? How many?
I'm
Just
ashamed.
throw a number at me.
I'm ashamed to even reveal it in front of you, and please don't judge me on that. But yesterday I went live, and in a minute I had close to 1 lakh people watching me. But I'm so sorry.
Things.
I wish
Sorry
that
for you,
happens
yeah.
today, right now.
Yeah, 1 lakh.
सारे खाली बैठे हुए बेले
Thank you, yeah. Compete with our very 300 views. Yeah, let us see.
बैठे हुए हैं। ओह, लोग इंतजार करते हैं, बैठे हुए।
Oh my god.
And so, someone told me that you had some 550 million on one video, like 400 million on another.
Yes,
Then-
and you know what the topic was?
Yeah.
The topic was, you guys are masters of that. I'm very sure of it, but not others. So the topic was how to kiss a girl. That's the video that got 550 million views. We need to learn.
Wow.
Why don't you start making like videos on that?
We are doing the wrong thing, Chintu. I think we should
Yeah, I
start
hope
going
you
on
all
to
are
another
mad,
blog.
like, but then the thing is
Yeah.
that you guys are mad. You can't take a chance like that, right? Otherwise, you could.
I wouldn't know where to start on a topic like that. You know?
You're already starting.
You will have a Balan handy at home.
How to kick a girl? Hey, I can talk for 3 hours.
All right, boys.
You can't do that either, my friend.
Sorry. Hi.
Sorry.
So I think we got the couple of things sorted. Anvesh is so sorry. There's this lovely introduction which was like done for you. I think it's about time we do that for you. All right. So so it was made by us. It was made by us for you. All right. So we think we should kind of
Every
do this
5 minutes we'll introduce.
the right way. All right. Please watch this.
Where is it?
Can you guys see this?
Oh, this is wonderful. What a beautiful frame in blue. My God. Gorgeous.
You will get all the reasons why.
Yay!
Oh boy.
My god.
Yay!
You're clearly doing something wrong here, Chintu.
We should also
We
start
need-
wearing
yeah.
bikinis, I think.
Let the bath. We will do that. I'm telling you, that is how we will counter this.
When we went to the beach, we shot something there. We shall share that with you a little while later.
Yeah.
Right
We
now,
also
let's talk
did.
to our-
हम लोग भी beaches वगैरह जाते हैं यार.
We should also showcase this. Anveshi, these are some pictures of yours, all right? So we think they're beautiful, all right, as you are. And is this a posterized version? Did somebody give you?
Actually, no. This is painted. It's an oil paint, I guess. Some fan.
Wow.
Wow, that's
Wow.
fan, huh? That's
कोई
a fan.
हमारे लिए भी कर दो यार.
No. You guys have to see
Yeah.
what is really working for her. Are these memes? I mean, there are these fans who kind of give these memes for her, and Anvesh, you kind of broken the record in terms of this. I mean, it's crazy the amount of fan attention that you have. All right, and
Yeah.
look at this. This is
Wow.
like before quarantine, after quarantine, and then when Anveshi Jain wears a sari, her fans go ooh.
Okay.
हमारी शक्लें लग रही है.
हाँ 1 2 3 4 चारों.
ये देखें,
And that's Karan.
इस बंदी के लिए देख के तो हिंदुस्तान भाव भी पिघल जाए. Isn't that Hindustan Bhau, the guy who's always like angry and shouting at people from the car? Okay, that chap, okay, interesting. अरे ये लोग ना होते तो लॉकडाउन में एकदम बोरिंग कट्टा. धन्यवाद. वाह बेटे वाह. इनकी कंपटीशन में आने की किसी की हिम्मत है?
Well,
बाप रे बाप. ये मी फोन्स पे ज्यादा टाइम गेमिंग करने के बाद मी फोन्स
MI
MI फोन्स. अच्छा ओके ओके थैंक यू. MI फोन्स पे ज्यादा टाइम गेमिंग करने के बाद MI फोन्स भी लाइक. ओके ये क्या है? ये तो बड़ा पर्सनल था. एक सेकंड. You what is this?
इसमें लिखा हुआ है
Spend
spend millions
millions
of
of
rupees to look
rupees to look
attractive,
attractive, but
Beauty is in simplicity, you know that.
I like the way this guy thinks. This is simple for him.
फिर ये क्या है? ये तो बड़ा cool है. Anveshi Jain followers other celebrities.
We're clearly not giving the right expression.
Anveshi,
We're looking
Anveshi.
like this.
Okay,
You know,
one
we
thing,
need to
Sharon,
raise
Bola.
the mic volume, volume
Sharon,
का
raise the
कुछ
Zoom
लफड़ा है.
level,
हाँ
level
okay
is
okay
very
okay
low.
okay 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 okay.
And on
And
FB
go
it's
back to the
not
last.
coming.
Go back to the last meme.
The last meme. This one is too cool. This one is like Anveshi is stuck on a island and instead of writing help, which she did in the first place, she wrote I am Anveshi Jain and planes and helicopters and army personnel just like came from nowhere. So, too cool, yeah. That's it. Anveshi, tell us more, yeah. How's it been for
You
you?
want to say something to all these beautiful people who are making memes for you?
Wait, sorry. Once we would like to just like acknowledge fans also before they kind of like.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
We've got another thing for increase volume, please, ASAP.
I have increased the volume
Hira
and it's
Mehta
at maximum right now.
Anveshi, please raise mic volume.
Ha, Anveshi, your volume might be a little lower.
Let me just see how that. Okay, we are all like I'm
Check.
Okay. First, we would like to acknowledge all our fans. Thank you for your undying love. You guys have made us what we are. Lot of tech glitches today, and I'm not able to zoom this page. Why am I not able to zoom this page?
Because they're already on
Can
Zoom.
you hear
bro.
me now? I will start shouting now from here.
Yes, please do. Shout at Chintu before his bad jokes.
I've been quiet, yeah.
Yeah, everybody's shouting at Chintu.
I've been trying to answer all those fans. Anveshi, we want another series from you. Somebody saying-
Chintu, your volume is very loud now.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll be soft now.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
you-
Anveshi, we want a series from you.
Yes, Anveshi, we are on your page right now, okay? And these are all your Romeos, okay? I can see Romeos. All right, so
हमारी Juliet तरफ है.
Vijay Bhatt, Harman, I can't even start like look at this. My God. 605 लोग बैठे हैं वहाँ पे. ये क्या है? ये खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. Let's go back to our humble page where I've been trying
No,
to.
let us say something to those boys. Yeah?
Yes.
Those guys are all there.
This is our page. ये हमारे पेज में भी बहुत लोग ये देखो ऐसा लोकेश नितिन स्नेहा the usual suspects सुकन्या बाली स्वप्निल डैनी blah blah. Okay, sorry we're not able to like look into each and every person's comment. We will be like replying to you guys after this thing after we guys finish this episode. But hey, thank you. Okay, I think we can just like toss back to Anveshi.
Anveshi,
Please continue.
I was saying so many people give you so much love and attention. There are people that have written to you right now. You might want to say a few things to them. They're just
Yes,
cute,
I mean,
you know.
they're amazing. I mean, unbelievable it is. अगर पता है fans नहीं होते और इस तरह की memes नहीं बन रहे होते हैं जिस तरह से they are making me superwoman on a daily basis and I share it. So there was a time when I used to look at
Hello.
Network.
Hello.
a fan love. Now that I have it, I know that right now this is my most precious asset and my everything.
Precious asset.
to be
I'm sorry, we
to
just
be
got the
honest.
part where you said precious asset. We
Yeah,
missed out
you
completely
totally
everything else.
vanished. You totally vanished, and
There was a time के बाद
like really weird.
Along with other assets, I mean,
It just said
Along
there was a
with
time and
there was
precious
a time
asset.
precious asset.
That's what we've heard.
ah,
Yeah, I'm telling you. We lost the audio.
You can check it on the FB live.
look at Shirin. Correct.
So tell us. So you go on your app on a daily basis, and apparently you make like tons and tons of money. You talk to people. You know. So what is it that you talk to them about? Okay,
You're
We
breaking
can't
up.
hear
You're breaking up again.
the only time we can hear you is when you say precious asset. So obviously there is
so
some problem.
Okay.
There's some problem with your network.
Yeah, I know, right? Like I could light it. क्या हुआ क्या? Wait a second.